Happy Thursday, students. Today we're going to talk about Thursday's assignment. So we're going to open up our Schoology classroom. We're going to be in our U.S. history section, and then we're going to click on the week of August the 31st through September the 4th. And when we open that folder, we should see all of our other daily folders open. And so we're going to scroll down until we find the Thursday folder. And so we're going to double click on that Thursday folder, and that should open up our assignments for today. And so when that Thursday folder opens, we should notice it's being very, very slow. We should notice the directions that will be in there, and then we will also have the live slides from what we did on in class today. So that way it will help you. Come on, Thursday. There we go. So that will help kind of review with you what we did today in class. So you will have some sort of understanding of particularly if you kind of missed today, then you'll have some understanding of what it was that we did together for our Zoom meeting and our Zoom session. And then you're going to notice that there are two separate types of assignments for today. So we're going to click on the first one that says Development of Religious Freedom Slides. So when I open up that slide, it tells you to follow the directions on the 5 slides below. On slides 3 and 4, you will get to choose which examples to read and watch. And so it says, how did dissenters and rebels in the 1600s and 1700s contribute to religious freedom in the U.S. today? And the word dissenter is someone that kind of disagreed with the way that things were being run. And when we talk about dissenters, we're really talking about Massachusetts. Some people kind of got a little upset with the religious community in Massachusetts, and they started kind of changing their ways, or they were asking questions about why are we doing this? And so they wanted to make some changes, and the people in Massachusetts didn't technically want them to make those changes. So slide 2, it tells you to watch the video up to 3 minutes and 25 seconds. And then after you watch, it's basically religious freedom in the United States, where it got its start, and why it was so important to our founding fathers, and why it was so important to the beginning of the United States. And then you're going to go on to slide 3. And on slide 3, you've got, you're going to learn more about the religious founders. You're going to choose one of the following colonial founders to study. And you're going to watch a video, or you're going to read the article. So here's a video on Anne Hutchinson, or you're going to click on the article link. You have a video on Roger Williams, or you have an article that you can read about him. You also have William Penn. So you're going to watch that video, or you're going to read the article. When you're using a Britannica article, you're going to log in using NISD1 as your username, and the password is going to be research, and it's all in lowercase. So after you choose either Anne Hutchinson, Roger Williams, or William Penn, and you either watch the video or you read the article to get a little bit more information about them, then you're going to move on to slide number 4. And when you get to slide number 4, it says, how does religious freedom relate to the current events in the United States? And so you're going to choose one of the following events: religious clothing in schools, teen athlete disqualified for wearing a hijab. You've got practicing religious freedom and a public health crisis, or Christian community relocation or reaction to a new neighbor. And so you're going to watch one of these 4 videos. And so you're just going to see, how does religious freedom actually work today in the United States? So we're going to look at current events. And so you're going to watch one of those videos. And then when you're finished with that, you're going to go into your assignment in Schoology. So we're going to go back to our Thursday folder. And then we're going to go down here to the discussion board. So we're going to do another classroom discussion through Schoology. And it says Religious Freedom Discussion Board. And this is due by the end of the day today. So you have basically 4 things to type into the discussion board. The colonial founder I studied more about was, so you're going to tell me who you chose to learn more about. So was it Anne Hutchinson? Was it Roger Williams? Or was it William Penn? He or she contributed to the growth of religious freedom in America by, so you're going to tell me how they contributed to the growth of religious freedom. The current event I learned about involved, so you're going to tell me what it involved, and then this event connected to what I learned about religious freedom in colonial America because. So you're going to explain the connection that it made. So why did we put those 4 events on there for you to choose from? How does it actually relate to one of the individuals that you studied and the concept and the idea of religious freedom. You will answer all 4 questions in the comment box. And when you're finished, you're going to click on post, and then your answer will be submitted. And that concludes your lesson for today on Thursday. I hope you guys have a great Thursday afternoon, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow, Friday, in class. Have a great day.